First up, John Burgess sells toilets.
If you're building or renovating your home, take a look at these great bargains from Plumbing World.
Here is the Yorkshire Derwent range of tapware. Bath set is only $135. The Yorkshire Grange tapware shower set is $149. The Caroma Bathmate toilet roll holder is $11.45. Soap holder $9.95. Towel ring $12.75. And the Trident Sovereign dual flush toilet suite is only $235.
So remember, it's now Plumbing World. Showrooms open 7 days a week. Stepney open Thursday night.
Plumbing World, a great day out for the whole family. Think Disney World with less feces.